Yeah, mate, it was just like...
Oh, wow.
Black on the back stuff.
Just keeps going. Hey, you're right. Oh, look at the size of this thing. Oh, that is a big snake. He's actually got the remnants of a food item, but this is a very, very healthy carpet python. Yeah, so carpet python, decent sized head on it as well, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, certainly a snake that would quite easily eat a chicken or something like that, or even potentially, yeah, yep. Let's see.
Because we didn't hear it in the noise.
He's big.
Big photo.
Don't bite me in the face. Fortunately, a lot of snakes on the sunny coast, they grow to a certain size and then they may get run over, since they're crossing so many roads and that sort of thing. You're gonna go in the bag like a trained snake? Come on. Can you go? No, doesn't want to bother it. But yeah, like even though that food item's basically digested, I still want to be gentle with him.
Yeah.
Him or her. What a beauty. That's awesome.